Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sure, here's a 2000-word YouTube video script in English about the Stingray Light Tank 2026, tailored for your channel's military and defense theme. Soft military theme music fades in, visuals of battlefield training and armored maneuvers. Narrator, voiceover. In the world of modern warfare, speed, agility, and precision have become just as vital as raw firepower and heavy armor. And when it comes to striking a balance between all of these traits, few armored vehicles stand out like the Stingray Light Tank, a vehicle that continues to evolve with the times. Welcome to this deep dive into the Stingray Light Tank 2026 edition, a platform that represents the next step in lightweight armored warfare. Cut to archival footage of early Stingray operations. Originally developed in the 1980s by Textron Marine and Land Systems, the Stingray was designed not for massed tank-on-tank battles, but for swift deployments, reconnaissance, and support missions. Its lightweight frame allowed it to be air transportable, and its relatively low cost made it attractive for nations seeking effective armor without breaking the bank. Transition to modern footage. Upgraded Stingray in desert training exercise. Fast forward to 2026. What we're seeing now is the culmination of years of upgrades, battlefield experience, and tactical evolution. The Stingray Light Tank 2026 version incorporates a range of technological improvements, battlefield digitization, modular upgrades, and survivability enhancements that turn this once basic vehicle into a capable, lethal machine in modern combat. So, what exactly makes the Stingray 2026 different from its predecessors? Let's break it down. Cut to close-up footage of the turret and weapon systems. Starting with firepower, the core of the Stingray still revolves around the powerful 105mm rifled gun, capable of firing a wide range of munitions including high-explosive anti-tank, heat, armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot APF-SDS, and canister rounds for close-range threats. But in 2026, this main armament is now enhanced with smart fire control systems, thermal sights, laser rangefinders, and automatic target tracking. This allows the tank crew to engage moving targets, even while the vehicle is in motion, with a high degree of accuracy. And thanks to the integration of programmable ammunition, the Stingray can now adapt to different combat environments with just a switch in the fire control console. Show graphic overlay, fire control interface and multi-sensor targeting. Its secondary armament has also been modernized. The traditional coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and the roof-mounted .50 caliber M2HB heavy machine gun remain, but with upgraded stabilization and remote control capabilities. The commander can now operate the .50 calories without exposing themselves from the hatch, a vital improvement in urban or asymmetric combat scenarios. Cut to interior view. Commander's station with digital displays. Inside, the crew interface has been fully digitized. Flat panel displays replace analog gauges, and data from sensors, battlefield maps, and command networks are now integrated into a single digital architecture. With the C4ISR command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance system onboard, the Stingray 2026 becomes more than just a tank, it becomes a battlefield node. This means the crew not only sees their own position and threat indicators, but can also communicate and share targeting data with drones, infantry units, and other armored vehicles in real time. Footage of drone flying overhead and coordinating with Stingray. Speaking of drones, the Stingray now comes with a dedicated UAV launch and recovery bay for compact reconnaissance drones. These mini drones provide real-time aerial views of the battlefield, extending the Stingray's sight range well beyond the horizon. This kind of situational awareness is priceless in both jungle and urban operations, especially in regions with dense terrain or unpredictable enemy movements. Cut to armor design and protection features. When it comes to protection, the Stingray 2026 benefits from a modular armor system. While the base hull remains aluminum alloy to maintain a lightweight profile, the 2026 variant can be outfitted with add-on composite armor packages, depending on mission requirements. These upgrades enhance protection against RPGs, IEDs, and even top attack threats like loitering munitions. There's also an active protection system, APS, integrated into the hull. It detects incoming threats like anti-tank guided missiles and launches countermeasures to intercept or deflect them mid-flight. This is a game changer in asymmetrical combat zones where threats can come from rooftops, tunnels, or anywhere in between. Scene: Stingray crossing a river, navigating steep terrain. The mobility of the Stingray continues to be one of its most defining features. The upgraded Detroit Diesel 8V9 2T engine, delivering around 550 horsepower, combined with a robust suspension system, enables the Stingray to navigate difficult terrain, from rocky mountain passes to muddy riverbanks, without compromising speed. With a top speed exceeding 70 km per hour on roads and an operational range of over 500 km, the Stingray is built to outmaneuver heavier main battle tanks, making it ideal for fast-moving strike groups or rapid reaction forces. Footage of aircraft loading a Stingray onto a cargo plane. Its air transportability remains one of its strongest advantages. A Stingray can be airlifted by a C-130 Hercules or larger aircraft, allowing deployment to remote combat zones or forward positions within hours. This makes it perfect for operations where speed of deployment is just as critical as firepower. Cut to military officials discussing strategic deployment. In recent years, several nations have looked into lightweight armor as an answer to the increasing cost, logistical burden, and vulnerability of traditional heavy tanks in urban or expeditionary warfare. Countries in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America have expressed renewed interest in light tanks for border patrols, counterinsurgency operations, and rapid deployment scenarios. The Stingray 2026 fits this role perfectly, offering a cost-effective platform that bridges the gap between infantry fighting vehicles and main battle tanks. Scene: Stingray conducting joint military exercises with infantry and artillery. And in 2026, the Stingray has now evolved to play a central role in combined arms operations. Integrated with dismounted infantry, UAV units, mobile artillery, and electronic warfare elements, the light tank serves as both spearhead and support, leading advances and covering retreats. Its low silhouette, stealth profile, and silent mode, thanks to hybrid drive options under testing, make it even more survivable in environments where detection equals death. Overlay: Maintenance and logistics graphics. Let's not forget another key aspect: maintainability. The Stingray was always praised for its modular construction and ease of maintenance, and the 2026 variant takes it even further. Swappable turret modules, easier engine access, and a built-in diagnostics system allow frontline crews to keep it battle-ready with minimal support. In a world where logistics often dictate the outcome of wars, a tank that's easy to maintain is just as valuable as one that's powerful. Cut to training footage. New crews learning the Stingray systems. Military operators report that the learning curve is remarkably short. New crews are trained and certified on the Stingray platform faster than on heavier MBTs, thanks to intuitive controls, simulation software, and shared components with other armored platforms. This makes the Stingray 2026 not only a potent battlefield tool, but also a training-friendly system for allied forces or export partners. Scene: Simulated urban combat in a mock city. Now let's talk about urban warfare, one of the greatest challenges of modern conflict. Here, the Stingray shines. Its narrow frame, 360-degree camera systems, laser warning receivers, and ability to coordinate with infantry squads through integrated communications, gives it a significant advantage in clearing city blocks and engaging enemies hiding in buildings. With its reversible transmission, it can even back out of ambush zones quickly, something that heavy tanks can't do easily. Closing visuals. Dramatic montage of Stingray in battle, on patrol, and being deployed. Narrator: So, what does the Stingray Light Tank 2026 truly represent? It's not just a relic from the Cold War era with new paint. It's a fully modernized platform, reimagined for the new age of warfare: smart, connected, agile, and lethal. It offers nations an affordable yet powerful armored solution, capable of meeting the multi-domain challenges of 21st century combat. Whether in jungle warfare, peacekeeping operations, or mechanized combat with NATO-style forces, the Stingray has proven that light doesn't mean weak. It means flexible, it means mobile, and most of all, it means ready. Music fades to powerful conclusion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Stingray Light Tank 2026, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more military tech breakdowns and defense updates from around the world. Until next time, stay sharp, stay informed, End screen with channel branding and video suggestions. W like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.